Here's the best side hustle if you have no money to get started with and you don't want to show your face. Yes, it's completely legit and you can start it for free. First, you're going to go to this website called ClickBank. Then you're going to go to the affiliate marketplace. Then you're going to pick a niche that you want to promote in. Let's go with home and garden. Make sure that you sort by gravity. I like to make sure that I don't pick anything below 20 in gravity. Pick something with a good gravity score and a good conversion rate. Then you're going to want to click on the affiliate page. You'll scroll down until you can find your affiliate link, and right in here where these X's are is actually where your affiliate ID will go, which you'll have to create in your ClickBank account. Then you're going to want to go to pexels.com and pick a photo or video that matches what you're promoting. Then you're going to go into Pinterest and you're going to create a pin promoting that product. I went with a woodworking course, so I picked a picture that matched, and then you also want to make sure that you're putting keywords in your title as well as your description. Then in destination link is where you'll actually put your affiliate link. Then you're going to post it, and once someone clicks on that link and they purchase whatever that product is through your link, then you will actually get a commission or a percentage of that sale. This is called affiliate marketing. I've made lots of videos about it, so check out my page for more and feel free to comment down below any questions that you have because I'm happy to help.